everybody. God bless. Thank you, Jesus, for another day of life. So, from marking all this out, we have no other highs besides London High to target on both indexes. We're literally at all-time highs right now on both indexes. So, I honestly wouldn't really want to take longs, but if market is saying that we want to go long, then okay, well, I'm just gonna take longs, but I'm not gonna force anything. And yeah, I'm just gonna wait for market to come to me. As of right now, we have a 5-minute break down and a 15-minute. We also broke structure on the 15-minute right here. So I'm just waiting to see. Oh, this is a fair value gap right here too. ES does not have that though. Respecting this fair value gap. Nice. I do want to see like a liquidity sweep though. We haven't gotten any liquidity yet. So I want to see us take out like some highs or something. But as of right now, we don't have that. We just made equal lows with pre-market. Nasdaq we took out pre-market. Well, hopefully market doesn't just go without us. That wouldn't be super cool. So, on the 4-hour, we haven't gotten a break structure yet. This could just be a liquidity sweep because there's 27 minutes left, and we haven't gotten a break up, but we do have a breakdown, which is right here. This is breaking structure to the downside, and then we put this high in, but it wasn't a break of structure. So, and it's like that on both. They're the same, both indexes. No break of structure yet. So, just have to wait and see. Of course, the hourly broke structure though. Hourly has a break structure, but let's see if we could respect this fair value gap. Again, there's 26 minutes left now, so. I really want clean chart work today though. No fair value gap. There's a fair value gap actually. It's literally that right there. Moving the wrong thing. Damn still. Yeah. So we inverse that. We're super down here on ES. ES does not want a revisit, I suppose. So the 4-hour is super just small on ES. Nasdaq is still pushing up, but I mean, this is good. Break structure, and then if we really want to continue lower, we'll break back down. This is the gap here. We'll see what ES wants to do. Again, I want them in line, just like every other day. I want them to be doing the same thing. ES hasn't came up though. To break up or at least touch this gap and then continue lower. So I don't know. Does ES really not want to revisit? I mean, shit. Bro, this is like an $1,000 stop loss. Damn. It's more than 1,000 something. I mean, broke structure down. Like, see, it's just safer to take trades on ES because it's not as much money or as much of you're not risking as much as you are on Nasdaq. And this is a 30-minute low. I kind of want to tell you like an actual. We broke structure down. Didn't break structure down yet on Nasdaq. So ES did not give us a revisit. It's just going down. I mean, alright, bro. I'm not gonna complain. I just don't like that this is the 30-minute low and a 15-minute low, but I just don't like that it's not a low on the 5-minute as well. I mean, alright, whatever. Let's see if ES wants that revisit or something. See what's going on. I mean, again, the market could flip. This was our liquidity sweep, but we're not disrespecting any bullish, like bullish confluences off of that. Oh, actually, no, I'm lying. Liquidity sweep, inversus gap. We have yet to break down, so I don't know, maybe. Oh, got a 5-minute gap right here. Not on ES though. Almost a break structure. I wonder if we're going this high because we actually want to flip this and start going higher, or if this is just ES trying to catch up, get it to revisit, and then we continue lower. But in 30 seconds we'll find out. Because if we inverse this gap, then I guess we're just going higher. I mean, ES is completely fine still. Well, inverse that 5-minute gap. We broke structure down, potentially about to break structure up. This is our breaker structure. mean, if I was looking for longs, then okay, we got a breakdown, we inversed. This could have potentially been my entry, but I don't know. Under this low right here, and then target London high or something like that. But oh, ES just broke structure up. But again, we're still respecting this entire 5-minute equilibrium, and we have a 5-minute gap right here. So this goes back to me wanting the indexes in sync, because now they're not. We did inverse that gap though, which is pretty crazy. So that makes it difficult, because we are still respecting this gap. We did break structure, so we could potentially, start going up. Enter here, put stop here. What is this? 38. Honestly, I feel like I want to take that, because we broke structure on the 1 minute, which means, that we want to go up. And taking it on NASDAQ right now, this is way too much. Way too deep of a stop loss. But NASDAQ's the one that inverse the gap. So it's like, damn, do I want to go with the one that inverse the gap, or do I want to go with the one that has a less risky stop loss? I really need these indexes to line up though. Equilibrium, we inverse that gap. Are we actually going to continue lower? Because my confluences, or like my, what are they? Yeah, confluences is a break or structure, or inverse value gap to equilibrium, and then we inverse or break back to the direction that we were originally, which would mean we inverse this gap to hit equilibrium, and then we inverse this gap right here back up. I mean, yeah, this could literally be what I just said as well, except we haven't inversed that 5-minute. See, yep, the value gap right here. Orange folder news. It's just so safe to take it on ES, bruh, and it's kind of frying me. It's literally like, I don't know, man. Like, I want to take it because it's less risky, but I just won't make as much as I would on NASDAQ. Say we close out here. No, what is that? Oh, yeah, pre-market high. 50, that's 600. And if I go all the way to London, $1.5. Pre-market 112, 500. 2,000, bruh. Like, yeah. So I would get less if I would get more if I target pre-market highs on ES and call it a day. That'd be 600 profit. And if I target London highs on ES, I'll get 1.5k. If I target pre-market high on NASDAQ, I'll get 500. And if I target London high on NASDAQ, I'll get 2,000 and something. Structure, this low. 142. That's $700. Holy shice. Okay, what if I do? Well, damn, we literally just completely wicked that, really. Alright, so I think this is what I'm gonna do. If we break structure, yeah, I'm just gonna go with 2 entries because where's that low actually? It's down here, 24, 600. I just feel like this is the safe. Even though I'm doing 2, I'll just take out pre-market high, and then final TP will be London high. I feel like that's the better way. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take it on ES. I'm gonna go with 2 contracts. Oh nice, NASDAQ broke structure. And ES just broke structure. Alright. Alright, well don't leave me now, Joe. Honestly, terrible fill. but just gotta let it play out. $775. Well, now what are we doing, yo? Chill. Why are we barcoding? Yeah, what the hell? Oh, you know what? Alright, this is like actually terrible. Price action right here. Come on, we broke structure up. Higher low, nice. Market is moving like it's afraid to inverse this gap for some reason. Why, man? We got 7 minutes left. Our breaker structure is up here. Let me put the magnet back. This is our breaker structure. What color do I want to make it? That's our 4-hour breaker structure. Well, ES is all the way above it already. Wow. We're still under it on, ES is still under it. NASDAQ is already above it. It's been above it this whole time. Come on, don't try and take me out right here, bruh. We broke structure. Don't be difficult. Just start moving up. It's not that hard. You know, I know we broke structure to the downside on the 5-minute, but we inverse this gap on the 15. We inverse this gap on the 5-minute right here. But we already have our 5-minute break. We haven't gotten a 5-minute break structure up yet though. Maybe I could have waited for that, or I could have waited for ES to actually inverse the gap. But we broke structure down, then we broke structure up. So just made me feel like oh, that is a gap right here, 15-minute. And we're respecting. Might stop me out right here. Yeah. Well, I thought we were going bullish because we were respecting equilibrium on the 5-minute, as you can see. We got our breakdown. Where was it? It wasn't a breakdown. It was just equilibrium. And then we broke structure up, inverse this gap. So I thought we were going to continue higher. But as you can see, we have not. Just stopped me out, literally. So let's see. I guess market wants to close bearish. 5 minutes left. We're all the way down here. ES is still above. Still respecting that gap as of right now. In the gap right now with 5 minutes left. Broke structure down on the 5-minute. So maybe we want to target these lows then. Broke structure down. I don't even think we're gonna get. I mean, we could get equilibrium for like inverse and then inverse back, but I don't know. It is still early in the market. I was just saying. I'm just not too sure if market wants to give us any more confluences. It's only so much market's gonna do. And this is a huge stop loss. Yeah. Well, that's not what I was looking for. That sure is unfortunate. Came down. 2 minutes. Well, honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna take another trade. But, I mean, potentially. Didn't inverse the gap on NASDAQ. It would suck if we actually break 4-hour structure and then, oh shit, and come up and take these highs now after the fact. Because I was already in that trade, man, and they did me dirty. Well, we might have an SMT here. Well, it's not SMT because we wicked past, but we might break structure on NASDAQ and not on ES. Broke structure on NASDAQ, not on ES for the 4-hour. What's the 1-hour say? We respected this gap. Wow. Respected the gap. So we're still bullish on the 4-hour and the 1-hour. On NASDAQ at least. The 4 hours bullish on NASDAQ. Wow. It is bearish on ES. The 15-minute is just still bearish. know I just said the 1 hour is thing, but we just inverse this, which is exactly what I wanted to take shorts here. Well, I would have been taking out that trade. Our 4 hour on NASDAQ is bullish. Our 1 hour is bullish. Our 15-minute is not bullish. On NASDAQ and on ES, our 15-minute isn't bullish. The 1 hour is bullish on both, but it's just the 4 hour. We broke structure on NASDAQ 4 hour, but on ES 4 hour we didn't. We're under the high. So now it's like, what are we doing? Is this an SMT and are we gonna continue lower, or are we just gonna go higher now? Inverse the gap. We didn't break structure down on NASDAQ. Inverse the gap. Then inverse the gap down, but we haven't broke structure up. I'm just gonna delete this actually. ES wants to go down while NASDAQ wants to go up. So now it's like, bro, what are we doing? And that trade was not a small loss. And of course the account didn't close when I wanted it to. I need to see them head in the same direction. And honestly, I feel like the better direction to head into is bullish because of NASDAQ's 4 hour. And the 1 hour are in line. But the 15-minute isn't in line. So it's just all over the place. track on that candle was crazy. Oh man. Damn. Yeah, I honestly want to make a high right here, like we did, and then I want to break it. Nice. We made the high on ES as well. I want to break it. I don't know if this 4 hour is gonna mess us up. I don't think it should, and I hope it doesn't, because that would not be cool. Yeah, this is 1,000. I'm just gonna enter off of this breaker structure because it's like, bro, our 4 hour and our 1 hour is bullish, really. Our 15-minute is not bullish at all, though, and our 5-minute is definitely not bullish. My bad. I was talking with someone. Yo, why when I entered my other account blue, we didn't even go in the negative though. So now I had to change my account and now I have a terrible fill. Like what happened to my order that was literally right here? We didn't went nowhere down. That literally sucks, man. That sucks a lot. What even is this now? 100 ticks. What is that? 500? I'm very happy with that. I'm not gonna lie. Like, bro, that's so annoying. Ah, that's very frustrating. It's very frustrating. I entered here somewhere and the trade just closed out because my account blew, but for what reason did it blow? I have no clue. I literally couldn't tell you. W. Thank you, Jesus. But, what the hell? It's very, very frustrating. There's nothing I can do about it, but man, that just sucks. Like, it sucks. Well, can't believe it, guys. I can't believe it. I don't know why. Oh, and we inverse that gap. Nice. Yeah, man. Like, I wanted. Oh my gosh. Trial and error, guys. Trial and error. Shit happens. I don't want these London highs. That's 1,000 stop loss right there. I just wanted London highs this whole time. Didn't give it to me first trade. Second trade I get in and it just stops my candle, like my second account out. So it takes me out the trade. After taking out pre-market high, come down in this gap. Let's see if we close out or if we inverse it. If we inverse it, then that means orders were filled, of course. High. ES wicked that 4-hour high and then decided to come down. No 5-minute breaker structures or anything yet on ES. Nice, we respected that gap. Nice. So like here I just want to enter. Target London highs. I'm gonna stop right here. 145. What is that? Oh, that's 7 something. All the way to London highs. That's what I want. I mean, we already got the blue candle out of the fair value gap. 3 minutes left on this 5 minute for ES to break structure. Damn, that's another thing. Potential SMT, because we already took out these highs on NASDAQ, while ES hasn't taken them out yet. Damn, just coming lower and lower. This would honestly be the best time to enter, but now if we're just going down and then we just stop me out, that would pretty much suck. And we close all the way down here. Why? I mean, we did respect this gap, so I mean, I don't know. Maybe this was just a revisit. I just need confirmation. Like, we have a 5 minute breaker structure. Not on ES though, and ES is also wicking down a lot. I don't know. Maybe I should just leave it alone. Potential to inverse this gap. Didn't inverse it on NASDAQ, but we did inverse it on ES. Like, should I just take this trade up to, like, you know, that's how I'm kind of feeling right now. Damn. What's up with that? NASDAQ doesn't want to inverse this gap. Meanwhile, NASDAQ's the one that broke structure up. And ES also broke up. Nice. Broke structure to the upside. Are we trying to get equilibrium again? We need potential. Potentially. we're just trying to get equilibrium again after breaking structure. Break structure on the 5-minute, revisit. Haven't broke structure on the 15 at all yet. See what happens. Then a break structure. Well, we inverse this gap. That's one confluence. Nasdaq hasn't gave us one yet. Like, literally right here. Oh no, where was I? Break structure. Right here, my stop. Oh, well, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out yet if I entered. When we broke structure. Damn, which is all the way up here, actually. Oh no, it was when we exited the Fair Valley Gap, which was here. My stop would have been down here. We just inversed this gap. And then we literally went all the way back through it. Well, we have a gap right here. But before we inverse that, I really do want to see like a true revisit to equilibrium, like a breaker structure. On ES, we literally inverse the gap and then inversed. Well, it wouldn't be an inverse because it was already inversed. But we went all the way through and then went all the way through again. Marcus just funneling over here. Or like making an arrow. I can't believe that blew the account though. I'm genuinely like confused because yeah. Market is looking crazy. All these wicks. Well, damn. This is definitely a break structure right here with this candle. Or maybe market just wants to go down now. Because again, there's nothing to target up here besides London High. Well, that's our breaker structure down. This trade would literally be ridiculous. Like, say it closes all the way up here. 540 is like what, bro? Hold on. 2.7. Disrespected equilibrium. We closed past it. Yes, we like just barely closed past it. .15 minutes still looks crazy on both on both indexes. Yeah, like, I don't know, man. We just need one huge candle to just boom, break structure. Well, just made a Fair Valley gap, so we don't even have to go all the way up anymore. Well, I'm 8-8 now on the month. 8 wins, 8 losses. And on the week, I'm gonna be down like 1.5k. Oh, 1.1. Down 930 on the day. This was the trade that stopped me out. 100. What the hell? This trade literally right here stopped me out. And then this was the first longs I took. These were the longs I took at first. Eight and 8 on the month. Ugh, man. Not cool. Wow, it broke structure. ES broke structure and inverse the gap. Sheesh. Holy. Inverses cap and broke structure. I don't know, like, this is literally what I wanted, but I don't even know if I want to take a trade. Or, well, another trade. Yeah. I'll take... Oof. Do I want to? Ladies and gentlemen, I took the trade. Let's see what happens. I genuinely want London highs, but now it's just like mad far. This is our 15-minute high. Right above here. That's our 15-minute high. London high is like ridiculously high up. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot how much we disrespected equilibrium. Bro, that's not cool. I can't believe I just did that. I mean, ES is respecting equilibrium. And we did inverse and break structure, but still, man. No, we're good. It's gonna play out in my favor. It's gonna play out however it needs to play out. So, let's just let it play out. Nice. These 15-minute highs is what we, yeah, so what my target is right now is what we just hit on ES. Well, hopefully we could just keep going. Just keep it going. 10 seconds. I don't like the fact that we're coming down. Like we were all the way up here. I mean, again, market's gonna do what it's gonna do. So, let's let it happen. Nothing I can do about it besides watch. We took out all these highs and we're under all these highs. I really do not want to see a SMT. I'm going to be completely open and honest. It's not what I'm looking for. SMT is not on the bucket list. So, come on, NASDAQ. Push it. Three minutes left for a potential 15-minute break. Oh my gosh. Come on, it's not SMT, it's not SMT, just keep going. Slow and steady, you know? Well, we're forming for Valley Gap right here. Damn, equal lows. Break structure. That'd be nice to see. It'll make me feel a lot better. So we made highs above our 5-minute highs. Our highs above these highs on ES. NASDAQ, we're under them, but we're coming. Nice, we broke structure. 50 seconds left. Let's see what we could do with it. We're so close. 20 seconds. Seconds, and we break structure on ES. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't even go down, just go up, please. Like, we're so close. There's a lot of potential for this candle to start going down before we go up, but I just really hope it taps me out on TP, please. Here comes the down that I was talking about. Come on. Come on. It's so close. Come on. Come on. Yo, come on. Don't. Feel me? Yes. There we go. Full TB smacked. W. I should have just targeted London highs, huh? Nah, let me chill. I'm trolling. See, if I had like if I had more room to play with, I would have did 2 entries, 2 contracts, and first TP would have been here, or partials would have been here, and full TP would have been on London highs. Nice. ES took out pre-market. So this should be looking way better right now. This honestly should be Way more. Nice. Oh yeah. Love to see this. Sheesh. Let's go. Love to see that. This should have been a way bigger loss because wait, how does it say 1.3 but then it says I don't even know. Oh, maybe because of this right here. It should have been like a way bigger loss though because when I first lost it was this 800 800. Right, on the first trade it was 800 800. So that's 16 plus the 105 from the second trade I took. So that's 1800 right there. But then it blew the account. So then this 500 trade only took away 500 instead of it taking 1,000. All I know is that I should have been down way more, but I mean, hey, now I'm up. I'm up now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to 7, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 9 to 7 on the month. 3.6K on the month, and $646 on the week. Oh wait, what the hell? Now it's 800. Yo. All right. This thing's tweaking. Let me refresh real quick just to make sure. All right. 800, not 1.6. Still up though. Yeah. So it should have been a way bigger loss because I was trading on 2 accounts, but then one of the accounts blew. So now it's only one of the accounts that was making profit. So those losses got taken away, and it was just now it's just the losses and the wins on the account that I have now instead of it on both, which is alright. If it was on both though, I would be up still because you know the maths. Don't worry about it. But let's go. This made me feel a lot better. I did not want to end the week on a loss like last week, as you can see. 2.8K. 2.4K. Got 3 good weeks. All of them are great though. I learned something from all of these wins or losses, doesn't matter. And yeah, I'm gonna be a profitable trader when the time is right. I don't know when, but all I know is that I will be. So just remember, I'm literally gonna come back to this video in the future and see, like, you know, I told you so. In the description in all my videos says so. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Holy comeback. It's all thanks to God. God is great. God is everything. God bless you guys. Thank you for watching.